Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are in Unit 6, Chapter 3, Independent Practice. If you have not already done the problems on page 18, stop the video and do them now. All right, let's do some math, my friends. You're checking your work, so you shouldn't have to, write down everything as I say it. All right, I'm going to highlight where I'm going to put my answers because, I like to do that. And I think it also gives it time to dry. We're going to set these equal to each other. Remember, put the larger one on the left. How do I know which one's larger? When they're both negative. -2 and -5. I like to think of it as money. I'd rather owe $2 than $5, so that must be the bigger one. Here we go. -2x minus 7 equals -5x plus 8. They're both equal to y, so they're equal to each other. That's the reason you can do it. Always keep that in mind. It's going to be on your test. It's going to be a fill in the blank. Why can you do this? Because two expressions that are equal to the same variable are equal to each other. It's like money. 10 dimes is $1. 4 quarters is $1. 10 dimes is equal to 4 quarters because they're both $1. All right, let's keep mathing here. We're going to add the smaller variable to the larger variable. To get them both on the same side of the equal sign, you want to do the inverse operation. All right, -2 plus 5. The signs are different, so you subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3x. 5 is larger than 2, so it's positive 3x. -7 equals 8. All right, the inverse of -7 is positive 7, so you add 7 to both sides. -7 and positive 7 is 0. Bring down the 3x and the equal sign, and 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay. 3x divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3. If you do it to one side, you do it to the other. And 3 divided by 3 is 1x. 15 divided by 3, 5. Put a box around it because x is 5, and it's a beautiful thing. All right, now pick either equation. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to take the top one just because I'm lazy and I need to find a y. Here we go. Y equals -5x plus 8. Y equals -5 times my answer 5 plus 8. Let's see, 5 times 5 is 25, but the signs are different, so it's -25. So y equals -25 plus 8. Well, let's see. The signs are different, so I have to subtract. 25 minus 8 is 17. Is it? Yes, okay. 25 is bigger than 8, 25 is negative, so my answer is -17. So there's my answer. X is 5, y is -17. Put them together in in parentheses because you want it to be a coordinate pair. Okay, so there's my answer. All right, what's the solution for this one? Well, 22 is definitely bigger than 14, so 22x is going to go on the left. 22x plus 4 equals 14x plus 28. All right, I got to move the 14x to the 22x. The opposite of positive is negative, so subtract 14x from both sides. And I'm using negative and subtraction pretty much equivalently at this point. They're not the same, but it's okay for you to use them as if they are the same right now. Later on in the year, I'll explain the difference, but right now, if it's positive and the opposite is negative, subtract. Just go with it. 22 minus 14 is 8x plus 4 equals 28. Now I have a two-step equation, so I'm just going to subtract 4 from both sides. Boom, bada-dump. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the 8x. 28 minus 4 is 24. And I divide both sides by 8. And 8 times 3 is 24, so x is 3. 8 divided by 8 is 1, so I have 1x. 24 divided by 8 is 3. X is 3. All right. Now, again, does it matter which one of these problems I pick to get my y? No. So I'll just do what I think is easier, 22. So y equals 22x plus 4. Y equals 22 times 3 plus 4. 22 times 3 is 66. So y equals 66 plus 4. 66 plus 4 is 70, so y equals 70. So happy I don't have to graph that, because that would not be easy. 370, come on. So x is 3, y is 70. My coordinate pair, 3, 70. All right, not bad, not bad. Oh, icky poo, word problems. Ugh, grab a highlighter and just follow along. Suppose a video store charges non-members $4 to rent each video. Okay. A store membership costs $21 and members only pay $2.50 to rent each video. For what number of videos is the cost the same? All right, so I highlighted $4 to rent each video. I highlighted 21, the word and, because that's addition, and $2.50 for each video. So we're just going to write two equations. So for which number of videos is the cost the same? The sentence usually tells me what to use for x. It says videos, so I'm going to start with let x equal videos. Because it's, for what number of videos, right? And cost the same, that means you want an equal sign. But what's the y going to be? Let's come up here. Oh, the y is going to be the total cost. Even though they don't say that, total cost. So let's start with the first store. So that's y equals $4 for each video. But there's no membership fee, so I don't have to write anything else down. The second one is going to be y equals 2.50x plus that membership fee, which was $21. Ugh. I think I might stick with the first one. Oh, wait, no. I would use math and figure it out. Okay, these are equal to each other, and 4 is more than 250. So 4 goes on the left. So 4x on the left equals 2.5x plus 21. Oh, I made the 0 disappear. I know it's money, and it's supposed to have 2 decimal places, but it's easier for me this way. So we're going to go with easier for Bono to do math. Since, again, I cannot find my calculator, I don't know what I'm doing with that thing. Ugh, it's such a pain. Here we go. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus a half, 1.5. So $4 minus 2.5 is 1.5x equals $21. Okay, divide by 1.5. Divide by 1.5. Get that piece of scrap paper, Bono, because, it's been a while since I've mathed. Like, for real. No, I math every day. I'm joking. Here we go. 1.5 gazinta 21. Yes, I'm doing long division. If somebody finds my calculator, give it back to me. I have to move the decimal to the end. I have to add, I have to start with a decimal here and move it to one spot to get 210. 15 goes into 21 once, minus the 15, 60. 15 goes into 60 4 times. And, okay, so 14. Oh, yeah. Now I'm going to put that on the side there. X equals 14. 14 what? 14 giraffes? 14 cookies? I don't know. 14 videos. Let X equal videos. So now I know that's videos. I'm going to put a box around it. For what? Now I have to answer the question. Does it ask me how much money it's gonna cost to rent these videos? No. All it says is, for what number of videos is the cost the same? So, the cost is the same. Gotta write a sentence. You know that if they give you a word problem, they want a word answer. Cost is the same for 14 videos. There we go. And underline videos because that's the answer that they're looking for. All right, last problem. This is good. Suppose your club is selling candles to raise money. Well, that's nice. It costs $100 to rent a booth, okay, for which to sell the candles. If the candles cost the club $1 each and are sold for $5 each, how many candles must be sold to equal your expenses? Oh, wow, that's a lot of work. Okay, so here we go. Expenses, that's what you pay. So expenses are $100 plus $1 for each candle. Oh, wait a second. I didn't write a let statement. What am I going to let here? Candles. Let X equal candles. So, 100 plus $1 for each candle. And I'm going to make, so expect profit. No, not profit. What do you call it? Gross? Money. The money I get, which is $5 times each candle. Now, I want these two to be equal because it says how many candles must be sold to equal your expenses. So 5 times the number of candles, because it's $5 to sell each candle, has to be equal to 100 plus $1 for each candle. Ugh, math. Let's subtract $1 from each side. I mean, 1 candle from each side. And now I have 4x equals 100. Divide by 4. This one I can do. 100 divided by 4. I don't need any extra scrap paper for that one. X equals 25. 25 what? Back up to the top. Candles. So, in order for them to make a profit, they have to sell 26 candles. It's going to be equal at 25 candles, but to make money, you have to sell at least 26 candles. So, you must sell 25 candles to equal your expenses. All right, that was not as bad as the last one. The last one had a lot going on, but this wasn't too bad. All right, let's take a look at the next page. Oh, spiral. Do you remember what that means, my friends? Yes, we're going to be looking back at old math. Time to look at old math. Again, a word problem. Bono. Why don't you save those for the end? I don't know. All right, so grab that highlighter and we're going to go through this again. Jane's cell phone plan is $40 per month plus 15 cents per minute for each minute over 200. If Jane's cell phone bill is $58, how many extra minutes was she billed? Okay, so apparently extra minutes is going to be the X. So let X equal, remember, it's always in the answer, it's always in the question what they're looking for. So let X equal extra minutes. Okay, and $40 per month plus 15 for each minute over 200 minutes. Oh my goodness, that's gonna have to do some spiffy math. Okay, so we'll have Y, oh, nope, $58. That's what she's paying for the bill. So that's gonna be equal to $40 plus 15 cents, but not for every minute, only for the extra minutes. So $40 plus the X for the extra minutes. I have nothing to do with that 200. That's extra information. We don't need this. That is useless information. All right, so solve it. Minus $40 from both sides. And we have $18 equals 0.15x. Divide by 0.15 on both sides. Oh, Jiminy Cricket, I'm back to having to do long division. Oh, calculator, wherefore art thou, calculator? Please, please come back. Wait a second. Where's my cell phone? I could use that. Oh my gosh, all this time I had a calculator with me and I forgot about it? Golly gee, Bono, you need help. Lots of help. Here we go. Feeling much better. Here we go, here we go. So clear that. $18 divided by 0.15 is 120. I'm glad I didn't have to think. 120 equals X. So, extra minutes, that's the extra minutes. She was actually on the phone for 320 minutes, but okay. She was billed for 120 extra minutes. There you go. Word problems get a word answer. Evaluate the following. AB cubed, where A is 1/4 and B is -2. Ugh. Okay, so AB cubed. 1/4 times -2 to the third power. Well, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And that's going to be 1/4 times -8. Why? Exponents before you multiply. 1/4 of -8 is -2. There you go. Multiply those. 4 times 3, 2 to the 12th power. Ugalicious. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1048, 2096, 40, oh gosh, I'm gonna actually have to math on my calculator again. Golly gee, I was so close. I can do up to 11 in my head. Okay, so I need this one. I need to put in 2x to the y, and my y is going to be 12, is 4,096. See, I told you I was close. Equals 4,096. Well, that's not so bad. Which is a table of values for y equals x minus 6? So we just have to do x minus 6. 5 minus 6 is 1. 8 minus 6, -8 minus 6. Oh, let's do that on the calculator too. -8 minus 6, -14. -7 minus 6, -13. Hey, that one worked. And how about this one? Wait, no, this one didn't work. Oh, goodness gracious. -5 minus 6. I did that one, first one wrong. -5 minus 6 is -11. It works here. But I already know this one was good and this one was good, so that's wrong too. That's good. That's good. That's good. This one works. That's wrong. Hey, that wasn't so horrible at all. Okay, my friends. We did pages 18 and 19 on the independent practice, and you have a great day. Take care.